僕は今探し始めた水しぶき上げて果てしなく続く世界へ溢れ出す情熱を胸にどこまでも行くよまだ見ぬ光求め夏色太陽が心の方を揺らせば新しい世界への扉を開く合図涙に揺れてる絶望を抜けて水平線の向こう側 Yeah, 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 yeah 目指して僕は今探し始めた水しぶき上げて果てしなく続く世界へ溢れ出す情熱を胸にどこまでも行くよまだ見ぬ光求め
Today is the last day with the 240SX. I mean, I shouldn't say the last day, but it's gonna be the last evening with it because tomorrow is the day where it will be sold. So I want to do some cool videos just so you guys can see how the 240 is. You open up both the windows. I don't even know how much fucking gas I have in this damn car. I know it's not a lot. Driving this 240, but it's more of a project. I don't really have time for a project right now since I have the 350Z and also the fact that I need to do some things on the FD too. So tomorrow the new owner will enjoy this 240SX. Supposedly it's a couple. The dude likes to drift. He's getting his lady into sliding as well, so that should be fun. Yeah, so with the 350, what I'm getting down to is that, well, first of all, start off, there's been no spark on this car ever since I changed out the 2 cam sensors, the 1 crank sensor. But then after some testing, I got a new ECU, swapped that in, got the keys reprogrammed, and still the same thing. So leads me to believe that the coil packs went out. And then also I need to change out the IDPM, this fuse box right here, and go with something without moisture in it. This one has a lot of rust oxidation. So yeah, this fuse box right here I want to change out. So I checked all of the wiring connectors to the coil packs and all those are receiving power. So I'm gonna change out the coil packs next, start her up, and then it should be good. So I'm finishing up on the S13 prep for tomorrow's sale. So I'm gonna be taking the NRG hub and putting on one of these. It's the one I had in the FD. I kind of want just a quick release. I feel like it'd be a little more comfortable because on the FD the cluster's too far forward, so whenever I flip the steering wheel like that, it just hits the cluster. But with this chassis, it should be able to perfectly fold right over and actually look sick. So I'm gonna just swap these setups over. Yeah, it should be ready. There's nothing else to prep. It's pretty straightforward. And then I'll do a tour of the car, you know, startup. Can't wait to give it some revs just to hear that turbo go. Shit's sick. So like I said, it did come out pretty damn clean. I mean, boom, man, this motherfucker folds over too. Shit, pretty dope. Then I got this thing. SR20 DET blacktop. So it has the Rev 9 intercooler, the Freddy intake manifold. I mean, it's pretty simple. Aluminum radiator, nothing much to it. BC coilovers. Yeah, let's give it a couple revs.
Tell me it's a man's world, play the rules and fade fool. Break rules until we major, blaze up. Getting with hoes through my pager, what's raised up? Commence the money making tactics, it's getting drastic. Niggas got automatics. My fingers on the trigger, tell the Lord make way for another straight thug nigga. I'm sitting getting buzzed, looking for some love from the homies. Cause shorty wanna be a thug. Said he wanna be, said he wanna be, said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be. Shorty's gonna be a thug. Said he's gonna be, said he's gonna be.
Okay guys, so the buyers for the 240 are here. They're taking the vehicle on the test drive, so we'll see how they enjoy it. I'm just gonna be right here relaxing until they come back and we can go from there. Alrighty, gotta put the GoPro in the case. Looks like they're back from the test drive. We'll see how everything went. The 240 does look good in the sun. That is for sure. Nice. Pretty simple. I mean, there's nothing much to it.
I mean, fuck, it's an SR, so.
Yeah, I know, that's what's cool. Like, everybody else cooked as fuck asking the same price or more for a KA. And I'm like, come on. Like, I remember 3 years ago, you could buy these for fucking dirt cheap, like 5K SR.
I got into cars, I'm like, you know what? I love 240s. Like, I've always loved them. There's S13s and everything, but I really wanted a vet, right?
Yeah.
So I saved up all my money, like, all right, I'm gonna get a vet, and then fucking 40s are cheap. I'll get one later, right? I go to look at them later, they're like 10K, and I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, you're like, that's the price of a fucking vet, C5.
Dude, that's what I said. I'm like,
yeah.
There's no way. I'm gonna wait till they drop. But then she saw this after we sold her Miata, and she loves it.
I was hoping it'd be going to a good home.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of people that kind of like missed out on this price, because I even posted on my Instagram to kind of tell those people that are into cars that, hey, I'm selling this one for a good deal, let me know.
Okay.
I just had a lot of window shoppers, but hey, it was first come first serve with this, you know.
I hate that window shopper shit too. That's how they were with her Miata. I was like, oh yeah, can I look at it? All that shit. But no one really wanted it because I don't know. But
Yeah, like I was telling her, I had just sold my, well, I traded my supercharged Miata.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, it was owned by this skater in LA named Garrett Ginner. I got it off him because he gave me cash plus that car for my 1JZ S13. And yeah, like I drove to Vegas in that car, and then I picked up the 350, and it went well. Right now I'm just working on a 350, swapping out the IDPM and everything. That's right.
Feel like I'm walking on air, yeah. Feel like I'm walking on water, floating. I can touch the sky, I'm high enough. Chopper right behind us, loaded up. Watch your spirit rise in front of us. Just 'cause you thought you could call my bluff. Walking on air, walking on water, walking on air, floating. Walking on air, feel like I'm walking on air.
Damn. Oh yeah, it was a pleasure meeting you guys. See you later.
Ocean, I dive beside her ocean. When I'm
Get ready to move, everyone! We're charging straight into the plaza!
7 boy, posted with a Uzi ducking handcuffs. Got my whole body itching, bitch, because I'm trammed up. Rather put a bullet in my brain before I'm slammed up. Pimping out the Chevy Swisher in my pimp hand. Brother, too concerned with fucking hoes. I'd rather just curve a bitch. Suicidal thoughts stuck in my head. Depression permanent. I murder you, fuck your hoe, and then proceed to burn your shit. Slicker this up with fucking menace and the extortionate.
Don't let my death die, no, so we jack up, we trap paper, leather from Bulo. We stand here defending the Muslim, no blow from the war, pero Tito, my soul is sending the popo. Maybe you get better with no rope, no hope, no ropes, no dope, no hope for humanity, mental and tragedy, suicide and profanity, no honor or majesty, I leave the whole episode solo.